Beep, beep. We're here. Okay, Truckster, bring in the table. Okay, now it's time to wait for customers.
3 hours later.
Oh, Truckster, we have no customers. Maybe we should give up. Hello, I heard y'all selling tacos, right? Yes?
On the go in the food truck, driving in the sun in the food truck, cooking up some
$40. Whoa! $40. Wow! Okay, Truckster, it's time to go. That's when Sarah and Truckster learn not to give up.